Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I've got, I guess you could consider it a new product release. It's, even though it's for 2023, but Panini just put out on their website, I think it was last Wednesday, for Chronicles Racing, which was like a week after they did Prime Racing. But for me, Prime Racing was way too expensive. So I like Chronicles. I like the all the different products that you can get out of it. And of course, again, Panini doesn't do odds, but I'm going to try to back up here, and you can pause that if you like. But the thing is, that's all the different sets that are included in this. But so it should be a rather quick break, even though it will take a little bit of time to sort through. Because, again, being multiple different products, and I like to make my piles, so, but there are only 6 packs, 8 cards a pack, so, looks like the whole box is shifted. Got a bunch of thickies on that side. But maybe I can get a Richard Petty. So those are like 2 super thick ones there. We're gonna do it just like that. Let's see what we get. So we start off with a Zenith Red, 56 of 99. Then we have a Chase Elliott. Looks like titanium. Oh, and there's an auto right off to start the first box, or first pack, excuse me. And it's a rookie autograph. Jesse Iwuji. Cannot say. I don't know if he's Truck Series or what. Xfinity driver. And we got a Magnitude, right? Yep. Magnitude on the Dale Jr. We got a Score. Kind of bland looking. I have a Torque. Jake Drew. Ah, yeah. Vertex. It's not as elaborate as it used to be, because there's literally no texture to the card. But and then a Jack Wood Chronicles base. So maybe go the other way when because it packs out the opposite. So got a Bailey Curry Chronicles. Got a Luminance of Ryan Blaney. A Donruss Classics, Austin Dillon. Also got another Vertex? Or Vertex. It looks like we have a Select. And it looks to be a variation because, oh no, maybe not. Maybe it's just his name. Lawless Allen. I'm guessing that's a numbered one, and it is 32 of 199. Then we have a Overdrive Daniel Suarez auto. And that's Prism. I was looking to see what it's. Oh, Luminance. So that's basically a Luminance auto. And we have Natalie Decker, XR, and Richard Petty for Zenith. I start off this pack with a Haley Deegan on the Torques. Then we have a Ty Dillon score. Daniel Hemrick. And a Jeff Gordon blue Torque during his Pepsi phase. Not the Rainbow Warrior. And we have a Haley Deegan purple. Numbered 7 of 25. And again, they're not super thick. And do we have another auto here? It is another autograph. 15 of 25. Joey Logano. Not too shabby if you ask me there. So that's the third autograph. Then we have our Ty Dillon. And that is Victory Lane. I don't think that's a parallel. It does not look to be. And this looks like an Elements. It certainly is Elements. But nowhere does that give me the feeling it's Elements. Okay, on to the three thick monstrosities. Got a Kevin Harvick, a Torque of Jordan Anderson, a score of Anthony Alfredo. We got Lawless Allen again. That's 41 of 199. And we have a Contenders Optic of Parker Chase. And this is probably just a relic. Indeed it is. Tanner Gray Status Swatches. I gotta grab a thick sleeve. So that's just a piece of tire, rubber. I don't know what that is. Thunder? Just says Chronicles Racing, so it must be just a fancy insert. Even though it's not numbered or anything. And then finish it off with a Dale Jr. Recon. Again, not a parallel there either. We'll sleeve up the Lawless Allen. That's quite the name now. I'm kind of curious if that was his birth name or what. This one's a super thick one. Blaine Perkins, Chronicles base. Ross Chastain Vertex. Got another Haley Deegan here for Luminance. Oh, I got two thick ones in here. So it looks like they just got a decoy of all things. AJ Allmendinger for the Classics. Our decoy. On the back, we have a Jeb Burton Pedal to the Metal Blue, 172 of 199. And we have an XR Jimmy Johnson. That was my Natalie Decker. And then we have an Immaculate 40 of 50 Daniel Hemrick. Seems like a waste for Immaculate to just be basically nothing more than just a glorified base card. I need to sleeve up that Contenders Optic, being a shiny. Last pack. Probably another decoy. Of all things. Starts off this pack with a Jeb Burton. Then we have a Tyler Reddick on the Luminance. Classic, Chris Boucher. Oh. And a gold standard, Tommy Joe Martins. And then we have Chase Briscoe, 43 of 50 with a clearly Donruss. And another Immaculate rookie of Jesse Owuji, 95 of 99. Chandler Smith with that was Victory, right? And our final card is going to be a Riley Herbst of Zenith. So we'll sleeve up the last couple cards here, and then we'll do a quick hit recap. And I think got a bonus hit, I want to say. Okay. So I want to say I only got one Recon, two Zenith. Only have the one Elements card, which just kind of seems a little lackluster on that. Okay, so kind of do a quick recap here. We've got the Contenders Optic season ticket of rookie Parker Chase. Got the Chase Briscoe, 43 of 50, clearly Donruss. Got the Immaculate rookie, 95 of 99 of Jesse Owuji. Got the Jeb Burton Pedal to the Metal Blue, 172 of 199. Got the Daniel Hemrick Immaculate, 40 of 50. Lawless Allen base card with the blue foil, 41 of 199. The Jeff Gordon Torque Blue, 37 of 199. The Lawless Allen Blue Select, 32 of 199. Got the Magnitude of Dale Earnhardt Jr., not numbered. And then for our, we'll call it hits, got the Tommy Joe Martins Triple Gold Standard Relic, not numbered. And then we got the Tanner Gray Tire Relic, not numbered, so that's the second hit. Got the Daniel Suarez Auto, not numbered. Got the Jesse Awuje Chronicles Rookie Auto, not numbered. Got the Ryan Preece Red Zenith 56 of 99. And then to close it out, got the Joey Logano 15 of 25 Classics Auto. Oh, maybe it was exactly what it was listed as. And then to close it out, got the Haley Deegan Purple Select 7 of 25. So yeah, that concludes this box break of 2023 Chronicles Racing. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video. And thanks for watching, and as always, have a great rest of your day and keep collecting.